Okay, so this was the Temu item I was most sceptical about. It's advertised to clip onto your hose and give you a high pressure jet wash. It's very plasticky. I've just connected it up to my hose. Let's have a look, see what happens. Okay, got a bit of leakage there. Let me try and tighten it up. Okay, tightened it up. Okay, not sure I'd call that high pressure. Let me try and adjust it. Yeah, no, as suspected, not great. Let me try one more adjustment. Hold on. Yeah, no, that's it on the adjustment front. Yeah, for £2 it's okay as a hose extension, but it's certainly not a high pressure hose.